If you want to transfer your domain from Namecheap to Cloudflare instantly, or at least as fast as possible, this step-by-step guide will walk you through the entire process. I'll show you exactly what to do inside Namecheap, what to set up first in Cloudflare, and how to avoid the common mistakes that slow transfers down. This is a great way to move your domain management into Cloudflare without confusion, and if you follow along carefully, you can make the process much smoother. If this tutorial helps you out, go ahead and hit the like button, and make sure you subscribe for more simple software tutorials just like this. Alright, let's get started. First, log into your Namecheap account. Once you're inside, go to your domain list and find the domain you want to transfer. Click Manage next to that domain so you can open the full settings page. This is where Namecheap keeps all of the domain controls you'll need for the transfer. Next, look for the Sharing and Transfer section. Inside that area, find the Transfer Out settings. Before you can move the domain anywhere, you need to disable Registrar Lock. This is important because Registrar Lock prevents unauthorized transfers, and Cloudflare won't be able to pull the domain until that lock is turned off. So make sure Registrar Lock is disabled. After that, request your Auth or EPP code from Namecheap. This code is basically the transfer key that proves you own the domain and allows Cloudflare to begin the transfer. Namecheap will send this code to the domain's registrant email address, so be sure you have access to that inbox. If you don't see the email right away, check your spam or promotions folder as well. Now switch over to Cloudflare and log into your account. Before you even start the transfer, you need to add your domain to Cloudflare and make sure it is active on Cloudflare's name servers. This is a really important step because Cloudflare needs the domain set up properly before the transfer can proceed. If the name server setup is still pending, the transfer section may not show your domain yet. In my case, no domain is showing here because the domain propagation is not finished. So if that happens to you, just give it some time and check again. Once Cloudflare has the domain active, go to the left menu and click Transfers. This is where Cloudflare manages incoming domain transfers. If your domain appears here, select it and enter the Auth or EPP code that you got from Namecheap. Make sure you type it carefully because even a small mistake can cause the transfer to fail or delay the process. After entering the code, continue through Cloudflare's transfer checkout. Review everything on the screen, confirm the details, and complete the transfer process. This is the point where Cloudflare officially begins handling the transfer request. In some cases, Namecheap may also offer an option to approve the transfer early. If you see that option, approve it right away because that can help speed things up instead of waiting for the standard transfer window. Once everything is submitted, the last step is simply to wait for the transfer to complete. Depending on timing and approvals, it may finish quickly or take a little longer, but as long as your registrar lock is off, your auth code is correct, and Cloudflare is set up properly, the process should move forward smoothly. Just keep an eye on both accounts until the transfer is finalized, and that's it. You now know how to transfer a domain from Namecheap to Cloudflare the right way. If this video helped, please give it a like, subscribe for more easy tutorials, and I'll see you in the next one.